This is how you can instantly hide the bookmarks on Google Chrome on your Chromebook device. So bookmark is something that is located right here just below the address bar, and it is actually taking space of the available area for the website that you are visiting. Although this feature is useful to let the user easily access the website that they just bookmarked, in some way you might want to just disable it, especially when you're still viewing another website and you just want to maximize the experience. So here's how you can hide this section. You just need to right click on it and click disable show bookmarks bar, and the bookmark is now gone. It is not deleted, don't worry about that. The bookmarks are still there, but just hidden when you are browsing on the internet. But if you open a new tab, you should be able to see the same bookmark, but it is only visible on an empty tab. So I think this actually makes sense, because the reason you want to bookmark something is to easily access the website without having to manually navigate to the search engine or type in the website. So I think this configuration makes a lot of sense. So that's basically it. That's how you can show and hide a bookmark, the bookmark bar on Google Chrome in Chromebook. And by the way, I forgot to mention that you can use the keyboard shortcut. You can press Ctrl, Shift, and then B to instantly show or hide the bookmark bar on your Chrome. So I'm going to press Ctrl, Shift, and B again to hide the bookmark bar, and there you go. So I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.